Imagine staying at a luxury Taj property for free. In today's video, I am taking you along for my one night stay at Vivanta Pune, a stylish urban hotel by the Taj Group, which I booked absolutely free using a Taj Gift Voucher received with my American Express Platinum Charge card. From a smooth check-in experience to a comfortable room, great food, and premium hospitality, I will show you exactly how you can unlock luxury stays using credit card benefits. This special member stay at Vivanta Pune came with some incredible privileges, and it was booked completely free using a Taj Gift Voucher. The experience included breakfast along with lunch or dinner, complimentary 1 hour evening cocktail hours, signature mocktails once during the stay, and a local delicacy during turn-down service, along with 20% savings on food and beverages. Pure Taj luxury unlocked smartly without spending anything. Executive room at Vivanta Pune has modern design along with signature Taj comfort. The room feels spacious and thoughtfully laid out, with a comfortable king-size bed, elegant interiors, and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The work desk and sitting area make it ideal for both business and leisure travelers. The bathroom continues the luxury with plush towels, quality toiletries, and a clean modern finish. Overall, this executive room offers the perfect balance of comfort, functionality, and understated luxury, exactly what you expect from a Vivanta by Taj experience. Mynt, the all-day dining restaurant located on the ground floor of Vivanta Pune, and the first thing you notice is its beautifully designed interiors. The space feels warm and contemporary, with stylish decor and a relaxed yet upscale vibe. Coming to the food, the spread is impressive, offering a great mix of Indian and international flavors, with dishes that are fresh, well presented, and full of taste. Whether it's a hearty meal or a leisurely dining experience, Mynt delivers both in terms of ambience and quality, making it a perfect spot to enjoy your meals during the stay. To sum it up, my stay at Vivanta Pune delivered exactly what you expect from the Taj brand: comfort, great food, and warm hospitality. What made it even more special was that this entire experience was booked absolutely free using a Taj Gift Voucher from the American Express Platinum Charge Card. If you enjoyed this video and love learning how to experience luxury hotels without paying full price, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Free Luxury Travel for more such stays. Until the next journey, travel smart and travel in style.